All right, I'm here and we're going to talk about smoothing out coils as you build up, in our case, a cylinder. You can see I have four coils on here. I think that's an appropriate time in which we're going to take and smooth all of these out. I use a couple different tools when I smooth. I use this, what's called a wood tool that has a pointed end and kind of this round end here. And then I like this rib, although most pointed ribs will work, that kind of have a flat end here that we use to help smooth out the sides as well. Okay, so I'm actually going to bring in the camera here, and we're going to show you kind of the process that I do for smoothing out these coils. Like I said, we have them stacked. We have them made sure that they're kind of stacked right on top of each other. I hold this wood tool. You can actually see, or hopefully you can see, that there's kind of a rounder end and then almost like a spoon in dip. And I like to put my finger inside that spoon end. So now this tool is almost it's an extension of my hand, of my finger, with kind of this smooth round part here that I'm gonna then come and take this first kind of coil and help. And I hesitate to use the word gently, because you do need to use some force to help smooth that coil down into that base. But we are not trying to gouge and push as hard as we can, okay? We are gently kind of rotating, and I'm smoothing out these coils, knowing that this is going to take some repetitive motions over and over and over again. So by no means does this need to look or be perfect kind of this first time I go through. Okay? Now you'll see I'm kind of going around and around. The banding wheel is helping me kind of helping my cylinder spin and spin. And I'm also using kind of this inside offhand almost to just help support these coils as I'm going ahead and spinning and smoothing them down. Okay? Now you can see I've done kind of the first two bottom coils. I might continue all the way to the top, but at some point I'm gonna crouch down to this lower level, and I'm gonna take this metal rib and I'm gonna put this point down here, and just like I do with my, when I'm smoothing it down, I come here and I kind of support it from the inside, and I come and I smooth it horizontally or side to side, okay? Making sure that I'm starting with this corner down at the edge, okay? And I'm still spinning and smoothing this cylinder out. Okay? Again, I'm gonna move this, I'll go all the way around the edge of this cylinder. It's a great chance for me to look at what areas of my cylinder maybe are going out, maybe going in, and I can help support and push and fix those from the inside here. Okay? I've gone all the way around, right, with the horizontal. Now I might go back to vertical, horizontal, kind of rotating it every other one until this side is smooth. Once it's smooth, I can then begin to stack coils. Right now I had 4, so I might stack 5, 6, 7, 8. Once I get 3 or 4 coils, then I might smooth those out and continue to build however tall we need our cylinder to be.